Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to be doing another, I'm going to be using my satin enamel. I'm not going to say it's going to be a cloud effect. I don't know what it's going to turn out to be exactly. But we're just going to pour some paints on and see where this takes us. I'm going to... Let me go through the paints with you. Of course, they'll be listed below as usual. I'm going to be using a Cobalt Turquoise from Atelier Free Flow. Cobalt Turquoise Light. Beautiful color. I'm going to be using up my Martisse Southern Ocean Blue, which is a gorgeous color. I'm going to be using my Prussian blue, also by Martisse. I'm going to be using Dazzling Metallics by Deco Art, and I'm going to be using Shimmering Silver. I have a Primary Elements mixed up, and I have the color Twilight by Primary Elements, and I have another Primary Elements Bougainvillea, Bougainvillea, which looks purple here, but it actually comes out to look a little pinkish in the when you mix it. I have already flooded my canvas here with my satin enamel mix. Cloud mix, and gonna get on with it. Feeling a little better today. Every day is a little better, which is a great feeling. And let's see how we're gonna start this out. Do we want to put this in a cup? Do we want to just pour some on? I always like my little cup. Maybe I can put it. Okay, this is coming out quite lovely. I'm going to shut off the camera for about 20 minutes or so, half hour, and come back and we'll see what we have. Be right back. Okay, it's about an hour, maybe a little more. and I see that this painting has really changed a lot. This really turns out to be an excellent pour. I love everything that's going on here. I love all these little cells in here. And when I take it down for the close-up, you'll see. You'll see it all close up. I love how I have my big boulders. I have my little pearl cells on the up in the corners over here. The blue and the pink, how it showed up, and then the silver showing up on the sides here. I think if I turn this around a little bit, I think if I look this way, I think I'm looking at some seals or some dolphins in there. What do you see? I think I see some blue dolphins swimming in the water. That's what it looks like to me. Along the rocks, along the sides of the rocks, swimming, maybe some seals. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing. So I'm 100% happy with this. This is my second cloud pour that I'm thrilled about. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if you'd like me to follow you, just leave me a little note in the comments below, and I'll be happy to check out your channel. I love to follow you on your art journey too. So have a great day. And this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now. Okay, taking you in for a close-up. All that those boulders that I got up in the corner there. I love the silver, how it shines, and these lines, how gorgeous, those blue lines. Here's our little dolphins swimming. That is so cool. Yep. I'm very thrilled with what I have here. Hope you like it. Please like it and subscribe.